Hello, here's the car tuning station. This is the Carplay module for Bentley. Also have had the Carplay for other car other car module. Yeah, this is this is the make boss. Switch to the head unit. This one to get the rear camera inside. LEDs to screen, LEDs to the USB. This is the antenna USB. This is the antenna, and this is the PCB. This one need to replace need to install to the head unit. This one, and this is the microphone switch button. Cables, audio cables, USB cables. Maybe important is this one. This is the interface. Carplay module. Car tuning station.